Hi everyone, welcome to Fit In Foot Out. Today we'll be learning how to do one hand push-up. I'll be showing you some of the technique and exercises that will help you to learn how to do one hand push-up. Before we begin, I assume that you already know how to do push-up at least 15 times a day, at one time. I'll be breaking down this session into 4 steps. First one will be warm up. The second one will be incline push-up. The third one will, which is very important, which is a rotational T extension, and the fourth one will be wide hand push-up. All right, then let's do this. In this session, I will not cover the warm-up part. You can continue with your regular warm-up that you always do. However, I will be covering a lot more on warm-up in my upcoming video on workout before running. Push-up. Make sure you find any such kind of surface. Maybe it could be chair or bench or wall or tree, whatever. Then you lean this way with the same position as you do with a regular push-up. Then go on with both the hand first. At first, go slow. All right. Then you can try lifting your hand the moment you get a little bit of strength and experience. You can try with lifting one hand and just go on again. Try. Yo. Go slow. All right. Make sure you practice with both the hand. Okay, same way. Go slow. All right. So this is how you do incline push-up. When you do this rotation extension, make sure you don't push your wrist and elbow this way. Okay, it should not be in this way. Rather, it has to be in this way. It has to be curved, because when you do this rotation T extension, this is a very good exercise. Actually, it targets the entire of your hand. It strengthens your. It's good for your wrist, good for your elbow, good for your shoulder, and also good for your abs. So I highly recommend this one, and make sure you do it proper way. Don't push this way. There's a chance of you getting injured. So make sure this is your forearm is like a little bit curved this way, and you go this way. Alright, so this is the last step. It's a wide hand push-up. The moment you keep on doing it, gradually you'll get the strength, and you can distance one your hand, and with other hand you can balance your weight. I'll show you how. See, first you go this way, the regular push-up, up. Alright, now the next step is to distance your one hand this way. Okay, and try to balance the entire weight from the other hand this way. Okay, if you need, then only you can use the strength from the right hand side. Otherwise, you just try to balance the entire weight from the left hand this way, and you can more go ahead. You can more distance more. Yep. Make sure you practice with both the hand. The regular push-up. And then just distance it a little bit, and then with right hand you can just take the weight of your entire body. Likewise. Yeah, I'm sure after doing this you'll be able to do one hand push-up. After this exercise, you can try to balance your weight again by taking your hand behind. So wide hand push-up again, and make sure once you get your strength, after this just try to take your hand behind and try to take the weight of your body with your hand. Practice it. Yeah, and this is where the third step that we have learned is rotation T extension. This is where it comes now, because now you have learned how to balance the weight with one hand this way, and with the T extension, it has brought strength to your wrist and also to your entire hand. So now you can do it. Go, boom, go, boom, this way. So friends, we'll be ending this session today about learning how to do one hand push-up. I have a request, please keep practicing, because the more you practice, the better you become. And if you have liked this video, kindly give a thumbs up, and if you have any query regarding this session, you can comment below. Thank you for joining. Jai Hind.